The live preview allows you to preview your program. After completing the tasks, execute your code by selecting the Run Code button located in the Companion tab. Once you select the Run Code button, a blank browser will appear in the code space and a pop-up notification on the bottom right of the screen. Select Open in Browser. If you don't see the pop-up notification, open the command palette, type and select Live Preview Stop Server, then select the Run Code button again. Now the pop-up notification should appear. Click Open in Browser. A new browser window will open. Note that you will need to have pop-up blockers disabled. Close the window and return to the coding lab. Select Run Code button again to launch the live preview. If you have multiple files in the Explorer and want to directly preview one file, right-click that file and select Show Preview.